Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for March 3rd, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio at 1.93 fell slightly from 2.00 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 2% to 3,177. The count of bearish stocks increased fractionally, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 3%. The Pirls P&F Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 8 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email free of charge, simply enter your name and your email address in the spaces provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 54 points for the 14th advance in 25 weeks. At a positive 777.93 points, it has risen above the October 2017 top and continues above the remaining 5 tops above plus 100 in the last 30 months. And it continues above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume higher than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 3 accumulation days and 1 distribution day. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in accumulation mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily, in a Woody's uptrend, is now at a positive 128.30, up from a positive 107.76 last week. It continues outside the plus or minus 50 range and will need to fall back into that range in order to form a zero-line reject long entry point. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's downtrend 15 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 6 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly, in a Woody's downtrend, rose to a positive 120.66, up from a positive 103.25 last week. With 4 weeks above zero, it continues outside the plus or minus 50 range required for valid zero-line reject entry signal. Industry rotation, the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary, some tech on the top, oil services, REITs, and gold and silver on the bottom. Bullish, networkers and disk drives continue in the top 5. Computer hardware has entered the top 5. Oil services continues in the bottom 5. Gold and silver has re-entered the bottom 5. Bearish, REITs continues in the bottom 5. Focus this week, a chart posted by K. Gifford 20 on Twitter, which puts the national debt in perspective. Charlie Kirk. Does anyone else find it weird that the same party that wants to save the world for future generations also is perfectly fine with post-birth abortion and infanticide? Tumbling mirth. And this generation is also out of dollars. Even raising taxes won't help. Their grandparents spent the dollars on the USA credit card, just like they plan to spend their grandchildren's dollars for #Green New Deal, for $93 trillion, and Medicare for all, for $34 trillion over 10 years. Yes, cost matters. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart compiled by Donald Pearl. www.s2pmarketsignal.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.